Okay, so before this vlog gets started, like ignore all the stuff behind me, but before this vlog gets started, I figure I guess I'll kind of come on here and just like talk about myself for a hot second because I have like some new subscribers since December or January whenever I did that my recap video until now. And I know I kind of took out like who I am, what I'm about out of my description, whatever. But my name is Marissa. Hi, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Did we shake? All right. My name is Marissa. My stage name, not my stage name, y'all. My of course YouTube name is Naturally Grace. That's my branding, my business. That's that name. And actually I am a licensed cosmetologist. I've had my license for 3 years now. I have been professionally doing here for 3 years. I graduated in July 19, took my test August of 19, and then I started working in September, like late August, early September of 2019. And that's like a whole nother story. We'll talk about like my whole career life. But what else? I am okay, so the purpose of this video, because it's a date night situation, so I am married. I have been married for, it'll be 7 years this year. What else? Married for 7 years. We have we have 2 boys, 5-year-old, and the other one will be 3 next month. I think that's all. Yeah, so this is kind of, I mean, it's not like a full weekend thing. It's like a little mini, like a day situation. We haven't really been on one in like, oh God, forever. We take like family date nights and like family like dates and stuff, even like in a house, whatever, but out like in public where people can see us. Not real, well, anyways, not just like the 2 of us. So, but yeah, my hair look a little crazy. That's a whole nother video, which is probably gonna be posted after I post like my date video, whatever. But yeah, y'all, because that's a whole nother thing. I'm not gonna look this crazy. But anyway, so yeah, so today is Saturday, so we're gonna go on our date tomorrow. We have church in the morning, and then I have a work meeting at 2, and then after that we are going to go very informal Dave and Buster. So yeah, but anyway, so what I'm about to do is I am actually I'm going to make our shirts for our date. They're going to be super cute. I am going to kind of like show you guys when I make them, how I make them, because I want to make a TikTok about them. So yeah. Okay, so this is the design that I'm doing. Of course, you can see it's from Love and Basketball. Well, I can't say, of course, if you see, because everybody has not seen that movie. But anyways, it is from Love and Basketball. And then I put down here on the bottom, Double or Nothing, for the end of the movie. And so this is what I'm going to be embroidering out or stitching out. Yep, so that's how it looks if it's not like 3D. So I was gonna keep it 3D. These are the colors I'm supposed to use, but in all honesty, I don't know. So colors are different. Okay, so here are all the colors I have. I have 40 colors. Colors up there, all in there. And so I think the hardest part is matching those with these, especially when it comes down to the browns. So what I do is like, nope, wrong one. So I can, if I click on this, so like it shows me the color, and then I'll just like come to my over to my case. My biggest thing is the browns for their bodies, and I'm not sure how it'll look like if I use the same brown, you know what I mean? So I don't know, we will figure this out and see what happens. But yep, so these are the shirts we are making. Well, I'm making. Well, my project was coming along, and then my needle breaks. All right, you guys, this is my office space, which is my dining room. But okay, so you can go ahead. You're right. Okay, so I did manage to finish one shirt. Oh my gosh, I had like a whole situation. I should have been like recording it, but my phone was charging because my phone died, and I should have did it from my TikTok how to change out a needle. But was that your second one?
Well, technically it's my first.
Oh.
I had split.
Okay. Who you split it with?
Elijah.
Oh, he ate it?
Surprisingly.
Okay. But so this is how it ended up looking. Okay, so actually, like when Ben put it on, it did not look bad at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm debating if I'm gonna do it now, like before I go to bed, just to make sure I can fully do it. So you can see back here, I'm putting it up on my repositional hoop, and a repositional is, oh, let me have it. So my machine comes with the standard 4x4 hoop, and a repositional hoop does just that. Like you can reposition it like different ways, and so I just have to figure out like how to reposition it, like going that way, if that makes sense. So, but yeah, so that's just what I got. So you know what I'm gonna do is actually when I'm like done, I'll just like, I'll show you guys how we look when we are done. And I'm sure the next clip will probably be tomorrow, which will be Sunday. Wow. I am getting ready. So, okay. See y'all next clip.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Wanna be down with what you go through. Wanna be down, I wanna be down.
Here we go. You ready? Yeah.
Wanna be down, wanna be
Did you get it? You got it? You got it? Hey man, that's clutch.
That was clutch.
Super clutch.
I got it last second.
No. That's Ben. That's mine. You wanna do it again? Now you, but it don't even count. You wanna do it again? Hi, it's alright. Hi, it's alright. You alright?
No.
Alright, this is the last one. He finally won. But in my defense, I got an ailment, but I was still winning.
Oh, no. Don't try to bring the elements in now.
I had ailment. Okay, guys, so I know that vlog was a little, I don't want to say all over the place, but it could have been a little bit more like tied in together. But I had some issues with my embroidery machine. Oh my gosh, from last night to this morning, like this kind of got messed up. I mean, it still looks good. It still has like it's some branded look, but for the most part, like it just all became like one big mess. So yeah, but we had a lot of fun at Dave & Buster's. I did not record as much as I wanted to because just in the moment, eating food, and you know, plus it was kind of hard to record and play and all that other stuff. But we had a lot of fun. We didn't like cash out our tickets or anything like that. We said that we are going to, I'll put mine going the other way. We are actually going to wait until the next time we go back to rack up some more points. Y'all saw Ben hit that 1,000 on the Kung Fu Panda, and so he did say that he definitely wants to. Oh my God, there's his thumb. But he said that when we go back, that's going to be the game he plays more often, to hit the 1,000. And then some little kid hit like 1,000 behind us on like this spin wheel thing, and we could not get it for nothing. But anyway, so actually I'm about to like take off my lashes. This is my first time doing lashes. These are just like regular like Kiss natural lashes. I kind of like slapped them on. Ignore my kids stuff back there, but I kind of just like slapped them on. So I'm gonna like try and take them off. I don't know if there's like a right or a wrong way to take them off. And this actually does not hurt to take them. Ouch. Okay, that one hurt. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Now that one hurt. Did I take out some of my own eyelash? I think I did. Is that my lash? I don't know. I think I did, but anyways, so oh, you know what? I need to make a story on Instagram real quick about my lashes. Show the people how I got my lashes done. But anyways, I'm close. Who cares? Whatever. Thank you guys. So I look crazy. It's cool because we're gonna keep it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Wow, lashes really does like make you look different. For real. Let me put my glasses back on. Want to make a difference? Yep. Anyway, so y'all gonna have to be raggedy with me. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this little date night. Hopefully I can get back into the habit and into the swing of actually doing more vlogs, if it's just like, you know, family, household, every day. Get ready with me. That's just a bug on my dresser. On my drawer. Is that a lash? It is a part of a lash. It is. I had to cut my lash earlier. This is what's sticking out on my thing, and it like scared the crap out of me. I had to like, I don't know if you can see, I had to cut it earlier. But anyways, so let me go. Yeah, so yeah, definitely wanna do more videos. Yeah, so I guess that's all. I think if I didn't say it, I probably said it. I don't know. You know how I get when these videos end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and to subscribe. And I will, oh gosh, yeah. So my next videos that will be coming out is I got hair videos. Actually, I got like 3 hair videos that I got to do. Oh my gosh. So the next video that I'm going to be doing, actually that I'm going to be posting are my lock takedown videos, the wash day, and all that jazz. So let me go. I got to get my baby in the tub. So I'll see y'all later. Okay, bye.